And guys, here goes the new house that we have for sale. This house is located in North Richland Hills, right off of 820. Here goes the new door. You walk right into real hardwood floor. Excuse me about that. New ceiling fan, new window, new slate gray paint. This would be your living room or dining area. Additional living space or dining area. Here's the kitchen, totally remodeled. Stainless steel appliances. New sink, granite countertops, redone cabinets, new windows, real hardwood floor. This here is an engineered wood. This takes us to the bedrooms. Right off to the right, we have a walk-in closet. Right off of the walk-in closet, we have the redesigned bathroom. Painted. Granite countertops again. New appliances. I say appliances, new cabinetry. Mirror. Shower head. Brand new tub. New toilet. Overlooking the pool, which we'll take a better look at in just a second. Here we have the first bedroom. Looks over to the pool with new windows. It has, if you can't tell by the light, a brand new ceiling fan. Walk this way, down the hallway. Bam, another brand new ceiling fan. Second bedroom, walk-in closet. New door handles, new windows yet again, painted. This is just the AC unit, new this summer. Here goes the master bedroom. We have a brand new ceiling fan that matches the two in the other bedroom. The closet, brand new windows all around. And now we have the his and her bathroom with granite. We have the toilet. We have the walk-in shower that was redone. Now let's go look at the pool. So right out the back door, there goes our sign if you want to give us a call. You have the backyard that is large enough for you to actually have a yard. This is all the side yard. Got a storage shed. The roof has been redone on it. The doors have been fixed. And we've got the hinge gate. A lot of the pool equipment is in there because we've got this gate locked for safety reasons. But here is the swimming pool. And the rest of the yard. And there's side yard on the other side. We don't have a key for this yet, but when we get one, we can show you the other side of the yard. But this is it, guys. Come out, take a look. If there's anything that we can do, give us a call, let us know. We'll gladly take care of you.